Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Zelle with TD Bank. Okay, so before you begin, there are some eligibility requirements. So the first thing is you must have an active TD Bank personal checking or money market account in good standing. You need an active online banking with US address, a unique US mobile number, and a verified email address. Your account must also be enabled for ACH transactions as well as online banking transfers. So the first thing, open your TD Bank mobile app or navigate to TD Online Banking on your desktop, your computer, your laptop. Enter your credentials to sign in securely to your account. Find and select Zelle from your account menu. There are no separate apps to download, so that is great. It's all in one space. It's built straight into TD Bank's platform. Enter your preferred email address or your US mobile number, the one that we spoke about earlier on, and then you will receive a one-time verification code to confirm your identity. Carefully review Zelle's terms and conditions. I always say this. Make sure that you read through them. They are actually there for a reason. Accept them, and then activate your account and enable your transfer capabilities. You can now send money instantly using a recipient's email or a US mobile number, and then funds typically will arrive within minutes if the recipient is already enrolled.